Okay, preparing to go. My paddle has now an extension made by the local owner of this place. Yeah, it's the mask regulations. On the water I won't be using one. Alright, let's go. Right, let's check that there's no one hitching a ride. I opened the back compartment. Okay, I think it's alright. Okay. The tide is low, so I have to walk quite a bit to reach the sea. Okay, I might be paranoid, but I think I saw... Okay. Let's open it up. There it is. Yeah, so always check your shoes and other holes. Right, now I'm quite confident that we are spider free, except for the ones. Let's add a bit. I hope it doesn't blow up. So now you could go away, please. Before going out. Don't come here. Oh, it's a bit choppy. Maybe I should have used the spray skirt. And my destination is that island, the left one. Smaller one. Koh Nok. It's like 6 or 7 kilometers one way. Depending a bit how close to the shore I go. And my plan is to paddle there, have a lunch, maybe do some snorkeling. And yeah, then head back and be back before sunset around 6 o'clock. And the extension so far works very well. Other end is just tiny bit wobbly. I think I can probably fix that. Yeah. I think I will rig the spray skirt for next night, so I don't get more passengers. There are scorpions around, so maybe not one of those. Something else. Alright, now I'm crossing over to the Koh Nok Island. I don't see any boat traffic nor here. There's one fishing boat over there. It's quite nice view to the Krabi side. It's rainy, but nothing else. Yeah, I'll do a round trip around the island first. Although it's a bit windy on this side. Alright, big wave. Long-tail boats arrived with some tourists. It's like not many people, 5 or 6, so would not be optimal to have to swim on shore here. It's a bit rough. Okay, in front of me is now Koh Yai, the large long island. And I have now almost went around the Koh Nok. There's actually 2 islands here. They're all kind of almost joined, but now it's very low tide, so I didn't want to go in between them. And that's Koh Noi on the right hand side. Okay. But I'm just going to collect the bottle. There is a passage through the in between the islands. Perfect timing. All right. Let's let some air out. That's because I'm going to take the boat out of the water. It's gonna get hot. Off we go. Back to Koh Nok and Tha Khao. Rearrange the tie straps a bit. This is better. Long tail boat is going behind me. Just crossing like a shipping lane here. Greenland paddle works fine with this packraft or packraft kayak hybrid. Okay, getting past the cape. Might be a bit bumpy. I don't want to go too close to the rocks because the waves will bounce back. And there is a cross waves in front. It's getting a bit windy. Almost home. That's the Tha Khao Pier again. And behind the corner is a bungalow. All right. The paddle project is now finished, at least this phase. So now I use GoPro screws to lock it in place. It is very firm, no wobbling at all. Made the holes with the Leatherman scissors actually, using that as an auger. Like that. 2 centimeters in, so I think it should be quite alright.